Ever traded lunch items with a friend at school?
Wanna trade?
Sure, sounds good.
Congratulations! You've already mastered the fundamental concept of trading. From playground swaps to cryptocurrency exchanges, trading is something we all understand instinctively. At its heart, trading is simply exchanging something you have for something you want more. That peanut butter sandwich for a chocolate pudding cup. That's a trade where both sides feel they're getting value. Financial trading works on the same principle, just with money and assets instead of lunch items. When you trade cryptocurrencies, you're exchanging one asset for another because you believe you'll benefit from the exchange. Every trade needs a few key elements: something to trade, someone to trade with, and a marketplace where you can find each other. In the old days, these were physical places like town squares or stock exchange floors. Today, they're digital platforms where buyers and sellers meet instantly. The goal of trading is usually to increase value, getting something worth more to you than what you give up. In financial markets, this typically means buy low, sell high, purchasing assets when prices are lower and selling when they rise. But trading always involves risk. The value of what you receive might decrease, or you might miss opportunities by trading too early or too late. This balance of potential reward versus risk is what makes trading both exciting and challenging. Remember that successful trading isn't about luck. It's about making informed decisions based on research, timing, and understanding market patterns. Remember these 3 crypto basics. Trading is swapping one thing for another, from lunch trades to crypto trades. It's the same idea. Every crypto trade needs 3 things: coins to trade, other traders, and an exchange platform. And good crypto trading means doing research first. Don't just guess, learn about the market. Want to learn more about trading? Subscribe to our channel for weekly crypto education. For a more detailed explanation, check out our full article on trading fundamentals. And don't miss the Trading Basics quiz in the CryptoNanny app. Complete it to earn your first virtual trading tokens. That's it for now. Bye-bye, and I'll see you next week.